World Environment Day, 5th June 2021. Theme: Ecosystem restoration. World Environment Day 2021 will be celebrated on 5th June 2021 across the world. World Environment Day 2021 iconic activities is hosted by Pakistan. The theme of World Environment Day 2021 is ecosystem restoration. Ecosystem restoration denotes associating in the recovery of ecosystems that have been degraded by activities like pollution and deforestation. Ecosystem restoration can also be promoted by conserving the ecosystems that are still intact. Healthy ecosystem and rich biodiversity yield greatly benefits such as more fertile soils, bigger yields of fish and ecosystem restoration can happen by actively planting trees or by removing pressures on the ecosystem by protecting environment and reducing the increasing level of pollution. Thank you. Have a happy World Environment Day.